The Consumer Credit Protection Act provides various protections for consumers against banks, credit card companies, and other lenders, including limitations on the garnishment of earnings. In United States v. Ashcraft, the court considered whether disability payments qualify as earnings under the Act. In 2004, Joyce Ashcraft pleaded guilty to multiple criminal charges, and a court sentenced her to prison and ordered her to pay restitution. Ashcraft was released from prison 8 years later. Prior to Ashcraft's imprisonment, she'd been employed by Amana Refrigeration Corporation, which provided its employees with long-term disability insurance through Principal Life Insurance Company. Due to a medical condition that rendered Ashcraft unable to work, Ashcraft had been receiving long-term disability payments from Principal Life. Shortly before Ashcraft was released from prison, the United States government sought to garnish Ashcraft's disability payments to satisfy her restitution. Ashcraft objected, arguing that the disability payments constituted earnings under the Consumer Credit Protection Act, and thus that the Act limited the government's garnishment of those earnings. The district court disagreed and overruled Ashcraft's objection. Ashcraft appealed to the Eighth Circuit, arguing that the disability payments were part of her compensation from Amana and were just the sort of earnings that Congress intended for the Act to protect.